Alright guys, I'm really excited for this video because at long last my pre-order came in. This is the Attack on Titan Season 4 Part 1 Limited Edition Blu-ray DVD Combo Pack. Here to try to complete my set. As you can see in the background, I have all the previous versions. So I bought this from Funimation and it was a pre-order, so it actually shipped prior to February 22nd, the release date. However, I think Funimation was trying to save money on shipping because originally it was supposed to ship USPS Priority Mail, which should have gotten to me within 2 days, but it ended up shipping with DHL instead, so it took about a week. But anywho, it's here. I'm glad I have it, complaints aside. So you can see it was shipped from Texas to me, and it comes in a pretty compact brown box. And cracking open the box, we've got the packing list, and then the rest is just a little bit of packaging paper, and the box pretty much fills up with the actual Blu-ray combo pack. And to my quick eye, it does look like it's undamaged from the transit, which is good. Hate to see damage on a limited collectible item. And quick first impressions, this is definitely thicker than the previous sets I've gotten. I mean, I think it's thicker than my Season 2 box set entirely. Yeah. That's because it comes with a couple extras. So let's go ahead and remove the shrink wrap, as well as this little sticky gum, which is connecting the two pieces together. Alright, this is so cool. It's very nice and glossy. But before we get into the contents, let's take a look at that little back slip piece of paper here. So it doesn't matter where you order this, it's going to come with the same thing for every one of these limited editions, where before, if you ordered it on like Right Stuff Anime or versus Funimation, you can get additional bonus stuff, but this time everybody gets the 5 art cards, everybody gets the 3 enamel pins. And you notice this is the North American version, so it has DVD region 1, Blu-ray region A. So this is not really compatible for if you live in Asia or anywhere else other than North America. So taking a look at what they did with this digipack artwork, you can see it's a total glossy finish, which I do prefer. And like the previous limited editions, it has something in the foreground and then something in the background. So in this case, it's Reiner, and then the Attack Titan in the background. This symbol here is now the Marlian symbol, since they are now abroad and no longer on parody. And it follows the rest of the formatting as previous versions. You can see it's a limited edition, final season now, part 1, so it's episode 60 to 75. And then there's just a picture of Eren on the back. Opening up, there is that little sheet of paper with the digital copy that you can watch on Funimation. I'll put that to the side. Taking a look at the physical discs, you're graded with the Blu-ray discs on the left side first, and then the DVD discs will be on the right side. So unlike previous versions, this actually comes with a total of 6 discs, so 3 Blu-ray, 3 DVD discs, and the way they stack them is it's actually individually, so you got one here, and then the rest are underneath. And I had to do a little bit of sleuthing here to figure out which way was the right way to unlock these discs, but it's actually from the inside out, so you just need to kind of pop open the middle part to access the other 2 discs. So the characters on the discs this time are Eren, Jean, and Hanji. On the flip side, it's the same story here. You have to open from the middle out to reveal the other 2 discs underneath the first one. And on these, we got Sasha, Mikasa, and Armin. And inside is that 24-page artwork, and it got some really awesome pieces going on here. One side is Reiner and his gang with Marley, and then we have Eren and his gang of Paradis. So some of these pages do contain some spoilers, so I do recommend that you watch the episodes before reading through these. But it has the regular stuff from before, where it has some quick character introduction, as well as this really cool 4-panel kind of chibi art style comics. And the final pages are these really beautiful full-page colored artwork. Putting that to the side, taking a look at the extras that comes in. I do like that it comes in this nice little box for it to contain all the extra accessories in a neat package, which does contain those 5 art cards currently in shrink wrap, as well as the enamel pins. So removing the shrink wrap, you can see these really gorgeous 5 art cards. You already saw the same art in the actual digipack, but you can see these are nice and glossy and shiny. And what I really like about these is that certain areas have a distinct shine that really highlights certain things like the blades, and on this one in particular it actually changes the look of Eren's Titan's eyes from the ghosty white to the green that it's known for, so it's really cool in that aspect. And the Titans shown on these 3 nano pins are just as cool as well. We've got the Warhammer Titan on the left, in the middle is Armin's Colossal Titan, and on the right is Porco's Jaw Titan. Each of them have 2 studs on the back, and you can see them without the paper right here. So altogether, this is a pretty complete package. Pretty happy of what I got for my money here. I know Mappa did a few enhancements, changes over the TV release, so this might be worth checking out. Definitely if you're an Attack on Titan fan. I'll put the links as usual to where you can pick this up on Amazon, which usually offers the fastest shipping, or Funimation, which might have a price decrease right now. But thanks for watching. Please give it a like if you enjoyed this video, and definitely check out my other Attack on Titan videos on my channel.